Hello again, folks. As you know from the last video, I got this Yale Y110/40. I think it says there. There we go. 40mm padlock, I presume, because it says. Lovely little lock. And I just had to have a go because it hasn't got a key, which is temptation enough for me. So I thought I'd also try out these picks I got from Isamu Sushi on his giveaway. So I've seen LockMania pick a lot of locks with these sort of picks as well. So I thought I'd have a go myself and see how it works. Can use this homemade Chris Capoon style tensioner from a wiper insert. And then see how we get on. Always nice picking when you haven't got a key. We're in the false set already there. Because you haven't got a clue what the bitting is. It's entirely guesswork and feel. There's one near the back giving me a false set. I tell you, this keyway's pretty tight. Stuck on one, I think. It's the only problem with top of a keyway. It can impede that first pin. Make it interesting. It's also interesting using this. I mean, I normally go for more of a medium hook straight off the bat, whereas this is quite shallow. So all new to me. I say new, obviously I started learning with short hooks and all that. I mean, you develop your own way, don't you? There we go, something. With it being a Yale, I'm expecting this to be full of spools. I've had a couple of false sets, so that tells me we have got some spools. There we go. There we are. Let's see if I can get this out. There we are, folks. That's the Y110/40 picked. We don't need keys, do we? Lovely. So that's that one. Thank you, Isamu, for the set and the giveaway. Thank you, LockMania, for the locks and the giveaway. And thanks to all of you for joining me again. Until next time, everyone, take care. Bye-bye.